On that path, it'll be warmer tomorrow.
Yeah, and then we'll be starting a stretch of at least mid-90s beginning Sunday and beyond. That's because high pressure is going to be on the move and starting to reassert at least some of its dominance over our weather here in central Texas. Noticing it sort of starts to take control and develop this ridge where you go up and down. That's the ridge of high pressure dominating our weather as we head through the weekend. Here's the thing though. We're going to be on the outer edges of this ridge, and that may just allow a few showers and storms to drop on the eastern fringes as we head into Sunday. We'll talk about that in a second. Right now we're in the upper 70s in Austin. So here comes the heat, 89 tomorrow. Today's highs were in the low to mid 80s, so temperatures jump. Mid 90s starting Sunday, and we basically stay there through at least Tuesday, if not much of next week. And that's back to being above average again. We've had our share of clouds. Tropical storm Alvin in the Pacific is actually throwing some clouds our way. It's getting picked up here, covering over Mexico and then drifting here into central Texas. Also some of these spotty showers in Mexico affecting our cloud cover here too. We're not expecting much in the way of wet weather though over the next 24 hours. The only exception for that would be a couple of spotty sprinkles here and there tomorrow morning or even into the afternoon. Generally speaking though, clouds giving way to a mix of sun and clouds here for your Saturday, which is our driest day of the weekend and also the cloudiest day. I expect much more sun on Sunday, even pretty early in the morning. Good amount of sunshine. Still a lot of sun through the middle of the day, although we'll be watching some storms trying to develop to our northeast. And there's some signs that some of those storms, or at least the outflow boundaries from those storms, may generate a few spotty showers and storms here from late afternoon and into Sunday evening. This particular computer model continues to paint a decent round of coverage of rain and storms Sunday afternoon and evening here in central Texas. Not all of the computer models that we look at are that wet, but at least the potential is there for some showers and storms Sunday afternoon and evening. And should they develop, they could be strong or severe. Right now, a 1 out of 5 severe weather risk in effect for Sunday. Large hail, damaging wind, the primary concerns, but nothing like the storms that have blown through earlier this week is our current thinking. So a partly cloudy Saturday, a 10% sprinkle or light rain chance, high of 89. And then we're all the way up to 96 on Sunday with a few of those showers and storms around. Rain chances go up and down. Monday's another mostly dry day before those rain chances rise a little bit more Tuesday. Highest rain chances of the next week coming Wednesday and Thursday, but still rain chances through Friday. So technically, every single day of the next week has at least some chance for rain, but some days higher than others. How much rain would we get over the next 7 days? Looks like a quarter inch to an inch of rain. There could be some localized higher amounts though. Temperatures very warm, mid 90s. What about the humidity? Well, that actually rises with the heat. We'll be stuck in that very humid category most of the time beginning Sunday and beyond. That means it's going to feel closer to triple-digit temperatures in the afternoons, even though the actual air temperature would be in the 90s. So a lot of rain chances here, the highest Wednesday, Thursday, but even beyond the 7-day, the 8 to 14-day rainfall outlook is wetter than normal.